I knew that this couple, John and Betty Davies, who ran the place, were Welsh speakers. I thought it would help with the learning, and it totally did. But the sweet unknown was that she was the area's foremost water diviner. They invited me to come to a farm up the valley, and I brought my camera.
This is John.
This is John Davies.
John Davies. He runs. He and his wife run the place here. You're going to see Betty. She's going to come out in a minute. And if you notice, he's driving on the wrong side. This is very strange.
Driving the right side.
This is Betty. Say hi.
Hi.
We're going to go to
We're going up from now to
Cymraeg.
which is
another village from here.
she's going to do some water dowering. It's her specialty here. And they call her and they ask her to come and find the water. She's got the gift.
When people in the Tevi Valley needed to dig a well to avoid the extraordinarily high water rates in Wales, they called Betty Davies.
Have you been to this farm before?
No.
And how did these people hear about you?
Well, if you've been successful in other farms, but of course if there's any problem about water, they know who to call then.
That's great.
Maybe taking a dog for a walk. More sheep in Wales than people.
Wow.
Because 3 for each person.
Oh my goodness.
There's about 11 million sheep in Wales.
Wow. So we just got to this farm, and we're gonna follow the farmer up to the place where he needs to find water. That's apparently a pretty rough track.